to my channel. And today I got the Critters family. I love this one, rabbits. This is so cute. I just can't resist how cute this is. So that's why I bought this from the store. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna start with this mini box. Okay, first we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna unbox this. Oh! My brother actually accidentally read the box, so it's not that cool. Okay. Oh, we have the checklist here. So we have here a mini storybook for reading this cute little rabbit for bedtime stories. So not bad. It's like a story about him and her and his big sister. Okay, so cool. And here's the collector's guide. You can get more of these. Like, wow, so big. It's like almost covering the whole entire screen. Oh, look at this. Wow. Whoa. So you can collect so many of these. Wow. There's a bunch. And there's a bunch of families too. Look at that. Look, you can get even a puppy family. Oh, look, a rabbit family. That's what we need. Wait, I'll show you where you got it. This is the rabbit family. Here it is. Here's the rabbit family. Here's one of the rabbits you can get, and okay, here we got our cute little rabbit. Oh, it comes with a little crib. Yeah, guys, I need to show you a little close up. Okay, it comes with a little crib. Huh, pretty useful. And what else do we have? A little baby bottle. Oh, so cute. Absolutely, you can feed the baby. You know how much milliliters you need? How much mLs? Okay, that's cute. And where's the baby? Oh, it's so cute! Ah, it's so cute. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I love how cute it looks. Wait, look at this. It's a cute way. You can lay down on the bed. Okay, guys, and then you can feed it. It's so cute. Okay, we'll put this aside and make sure you get ready because it's gigantic. So big. Okay, let's unbox it. So where do I open it? In the box, it says this is what it comes with, like a little one doll and food accessories, and you get this. And you get this table and a bed. And it says you can put this up, this platform, you can take it off, and you can put it here or down. Cool. Let's see. Oh, in the back of the box, it says you can attach it to different sets. If you get this set, you can attach it to this. And if you have a shopping mall set, you can put this together to the shopping mall. And here you can put this together to a house. And you have new babies and mom. And now I have the sister. There's a mom, and dad, and a brother, and twins, and a little brother. Wow, that's a lot. And also, oh, in this side of the box, you can actually get this car, and you can actually add in all these stuff here. Wow. And if you want to get furniture for this house, here you have a lot of furniture. So we have father and his sweetie. Okay, never mind. Let's open the box. It's on the very top of the box. Let's unbox it. Okay. Whoa! Wow. So I don't understand Okay, so let's get out of this gigantic house. Out of the box. Whoa, out of the box you come. Oh, it's a house. Cute. Okay. Wow, what's this? Another collector's guide. Of course, you need more collectors. There's more collector guides, but guys, this collector's guide is kind of different. Okay, it's kind of like the same, but you can get a soul. There's a school right here. Look, there's a school. Okay, that's a lot. Too much. Too much. What's this? Again. There's a little door. Let's get this tag out. Oh, you can open and close the door. That's so cute. Let's leave it like that. Whoa! There's a platform base. This is where he's like around with grass. Like you can touch it. Right over here. Like this, I think so. How do you attach this? Oh, you don't need scissors for these. You just twist them off. There you go. That's all. One wire off. Oh, now the other. Let's see. Twist. Twist. Ugh. So twisty. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Wow. Okay, let's get it out. Oh no, it's going to fall any minute. Wait. Oh no. What? How do you take it out? Does it come like out like this? Oh, yeah. Got it. She's so soft. 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 I like saying soft, soft. Oh. Why her dress is not fluffy? Okay. Okay, she's so cool. Okay. Let's let her to me. Okay, guys. So let's peel this plaster off. Wow. Okay, guys, I just thought, what is this? It kind of looks weird. Mom, do you know what this is?
Maybe fish.
Fish? No. I think it's like some pasta or something, like a little pasta.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it's pasta. Okay. So pasta. And look at this tiny fork. It's so tiny. And just like in our houses we have plates, they have plates too. So nice and clean. Wow. Okay, here we got our table and a bench, chairs, and with the baby came with a baby bottle and a crib and the kitchen, and you can open the oven. That's cool. And you can open this too. Look, you can open these. And you can even see the real tank. Wow, that's so realistic. Okay, so look it. We got these two dolls. We have the sister rabbit and the baby rabbit. It's so cute. Okay, and there's the bed. The bed is real soft. Oh, okay, everything is soft in this. Like you can make the baby sister asleep like that. Easy as pie, that's all. And you can put her to sleep. Okay, so I'm gonna show you around the house. Woo! It's so amazing. So next is we need to take this board and then we need to attach it right here. Like just like that. And let's go to the down floor here. We will add in the down floor, we will add in our bench right over here. Right over here. Our chairs. Whoa. Our 2 chairs right over here. Oh, wait. Okay, these chairs go over here. And this bench right here. We kind of move it a little back way. Okay. And I'll add in, the kitchen stove over here, and our frying pan right over there, and we'll put our this plate over on the table, and whatever this is, like anything, I don't know what that is, maybe pasta. And we'll put the fork here. And that bottom floor is done. And I need to keep this roof here because we have a ladder to attach. So have our bed right next to the window, like how I have. And then our bed is nice, cozy here. And we'll add in the blankets. So nice furniture. Wow, so cool. Okay, and the baby's bed, where I'll keep it? Right here, next to the sister, and this goes into the kitchen. I'll put it inside this drawer. There you go. Okay, it doesn't fit. My mom changed the kitchen lately. Okay, put the bottle over there and close it up. And that's all. Our house is finished. Okay guys, this is how the house is going to look like. Versus the kitchen. And you can see, I'm going to show you. Okay, let's climb up the ladder. And here's the bedroom. Where's the little brother? Oh, yay. Okay, and they were just going to play in their room now. Yay! Oh, I forgot. One thing I forgot. They came with storybooks. Wait.
Storybooks?
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make miniature things for this house. Absolutely, it's kind of empty. So we need to make something for the second floor and for the living room. See, you can absolutely see the room is empty. Roof or dressing table, actually a couch, and we need all that stuff and little books to read and storybooks, whatever, like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.